Happy Patel, describe it in 3 words.
Fun, crazy, unexpected.
Describe Veer Das in 1 word.
Maverick.
The film that always makes you happy.
Before sunrise.
Nice, such a beautiful film. Your comfort food on any day कि ये दे दो ये खुश हो जाएगी.
Varan bhat, dal
हाँ,
khichdi,
dal.
like anything that has got to do with dal rice.
Dal rice, okay. One thing fans would be surprised to know about you.
That I sleep a lot. I love to sleep.
You sleep a lot.
अगर मुझे आप बोल दो कि अरे आज छुट्टी है आपको, you can be lazy and
You keep napping all day.
I can go back to bed.
Are there actresses that who you like watching? You're like, wow, they've gone completely right in everything. Career.
Currently, Mona Singh.
Oh my God, she is amazing.
Anything you pick
Yeah,
from her
yeah.
bouquet and you're like, she surprises you.
She's really amazing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's like even in Happy Patel, she's very different from what you've seen her so far. So
The last song you had on repeat and you kept listening to it.
आज ही मैं कुछ गाना गा रही थी.
गा के बताओ.
चाटा तेरा मेरे दिल के दिल पर आके है लगा.
So we have a rapid fire, which is absolutely relevant to have you.
And absolutely not my favorite thing.
Yeah, very easy, keeping you in mind. Coffee or chai?
Chai.
Vada pav or misal pav?
Vada pav.
Early morning shoots or late night shoots? What's your scene?
Early morning shoot.
You're a morning person.
Fully morning person.
And what time would you crash?
10 o'clock.
Today is your birthday. Today you won't crash at 10.
I hope so.
Right. Sorry, tomorrow is your birthday, so
Yes.
tonight you should bring it in.
Yes.
Are you that cake cutting? You'll cut a cake at 12 o'clock?
Not necessarily. It depends on मेरे friends का क्या mood है.
हाँ.
If they show up, then तो. If not,
Somewhere you know they'll show up or not show up.
no, good.
Oh,
I
no.
can't tell.
They're
I can't tell. There have been years that
unpredictable.
they have not. Yeah. I have gone to sleep also many years before.
But this one is an exciting birthday. You have a release around the
Yes,
corner.
it's an exciting birthday week.
Yes,
so
birthday
I'm
week.
very-
Correct. That doesn't happen too
That
often.
at all.
Yeah,
This is the first
yeah.
time it's happening to me.
Right. Happy Patel, describe it in 3 words.
Fun, crazy, unexpected.
Nice. Describe Veer Das in 1 word. How will you sum up Veer Das?
Maverick.
Absolutely. Genius. 100%. Yeah. The first thing you do after pack up, what is your scene? Ki pack up hua?
Run home.
Run home.
Fully
right.
homebody.
Right. The film that always makes you happy.
Film that makes you happy. A film that Before Sunrise.
Nice. Such a beautiful film. A film that makes you emotional.
It's one of my favorite films, so it makes me feel many feelings. It's called Ijazat
Yeah.
by Gulzar Saab.
Right. Your comfort food on any day कि ये दे दो ये खुश हो जाएगी.
Varan bhat, dal
हाँ,
khichdi,
dal.
like anything that has got to do with dal rice.
Dal rice. Okay. Web series or big screen on a day when you have an off day. कि what will you choose?
If I have an off day, I'll choose to sit at home, so then it'll inevitably be
Web series.
web series.
Right.
But if it's my film, I'll definitely go and watch it in the theaters.
Of course. One thing fans would be surprised to know about you.
That I sleep a lot. I love to sleep.
You sleep a lot. So if you sleep at 10, what time do you wake up?
No, that way I
Okay.
have discipline.
Okay.
Like that way.
You're a morning person. you
हाँ,
said,
कि
yeah.
मैं any time between 6:30 to 7:30 I'm up without an alarm.
हाँ.
But अगर मुझे आप बोल दो कि अरे आज छुट्टी है आपको, you can be lazy and
You keep napping all day.
I can go back to bed.
Right. The last song you had on repeat and you kept listening to it.
आज ही मैं कुछ गाना गा रही थी.
गा के बताओ.
Again, I have forgotten now.
अगर गा रहे थे तो गाओ.
And every time there is another song playing, but today was चाटा तेरा मेरे दिल के दिल पर आके है लगा.
You can keep singing. We can keep waiting here. Acting or singing?
Acting.
Acting. The most Mithila thing about Happy Patel.
The most Mithila thing about Happy Patel.
Yeah.
ये कैसे मैं बताऊं?
The most Mithila thing about your character. Chalo. I'll make it slightly. What did you add that was you in this? मुश्किल होगा because it's so different. Yeah.
बिल्कुल भी मैंने कुछ मतलब in the
कुछ
sense
ऐसा
कि
नहीं।
मेरे से कोई भी
कोई
connection नहीं है
connection नहीं
उस
है. Okay.
the most Mithila thing is that it's not Mithila, I guess.
Right. Right. A habit you picked up on this film. Is there? Are you that person?
A habit is I would want to definitely credit this to the makers and the
Okay.
rule makers also that we were not allowed cell phones on set.
Wow. Tell me about that.
So it's not like our phones were locked up.
Correct.
Or
No, of
anything.
course,
We
but
had
just
them.
yeah.
But because that was a rule, everybody respected that. So that whole old school way of just coming together, putting your chairs together, and just chatting with each other
that is
has
amazing.
helped us become friends. That camaraderie between us has grown, and now we really enjoy each other's company.
Wow.
And how often do you get to explore that? Like
that is quite amazing. Would you like to continue that on some other side? Would you like to follow that?
Yes, I would.
Yeah.
I would. It's better than like we had our phones, but we played word games. We realized that all of us, Sharib, Mona, Shushti Taude, and I would get a lot of time together because Veer was always busy directing also. So then when we had time, we would sit and play word games. We would sit and discuss food.
Nice.
We would sit and sing songs because we are all music loving people.
Right.
It was great.
Right. Other actresses that who you like watching, you're like, wow, they've gone completely right in everything, career.
Currently, Mona Singh.
Oh my God, she is amazing.
Anything you pick from her bouquet and you're like, she surprises you.
She's really amazing.
Yeah, I'm a fan.
Yeah, and good that she's getting so much work that we keep seeing her.
Yeah, she is, and she's picking the right things also in that, and she's so different in everything she does. Like even in Happy Patel, she's very different from what you've seen her so far. So
when people come to you at airports or malls or wherever they run into you and they recognize you, what do they tell you?
That they are, they watched my work and they love watching me on screen, and Little Things is a callback that
mostly works.
Works. Yeah.
Right. Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Really good fun, and I can't wait to watch Happy Patel.
I can't wait
I
for you
promise you I'll give you my honest opinion.
Please
and
do,
I will.
I'll appreciate that. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.